Team Yeye trying to inspect, the baits, how they're doing, yeah? So I'm trying to pass by the wall fence here, the wall fence. But you'll be able to see how these chickens, they'll be running after me, yeah? You see, as a good shepherd, they always recognize someone who gives them, food, water, and the like. So this is it. It's a big number of the baits, and some they're still inside. So after looking at her, whoa, this is indeed an agony, yeah? Team Yeye the farmer, yeah? Hoping for the best, and the best is yet to come. It's just a matter of time, yeah? And some they're still coming. They're coming out, to come and look at what is really happening outside. I was like, oh, there's food. Yeah, there's food. Yeah, let's go and check. Let's go and check what our boss, the good shepherd has just brought for us. Yeah, so this is it. You're able to see the flock outside. So they're going to follow me. Yeah, from that side they'll come here. Just because I've just changed the position. So that's it. It's a laugh, it's like, yeah? You can't stop them. I love these birds. And I really do. So as a farmer, these are free range chickens. They improve the village chickens that can be layered at an open range. But for us, we decided just to make this waffles for them. Yeah, this is our product, by the way. We just bought a coil of wire, 25 kgs, which we managed to make about 19.5 meters, But we are just hoping from something great. Next time, that's when we'll start again doing our project like this one, So I move from that angle to this angle, just to look at how these birds are doing, So they are busy following me. They thought maybe I'm about to give them food, but I gave them feed, and the water is there. Yeah, looking at that other drinker that is that side, that one is not okay, yeah? You find that most of the time when I put some water here, that of water will be coming out here. That's what I think it sees isn't fitting well. So as a yeye founder, I'm just checking on how these birds are doing, yeah? Don't hesitate to follow me for more videos of these village chickens. It's happening in Zambia, free range chickens, improved village chickens. They are at 1 month, 2 weeks right now. Yeah, very soon we'll harvest them.